Welcome to GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is stability analysis. Let us see the question number 5. The closed loop system is stable when they go the block diagram and they go 1, 2, 3, 4 statements. Which of the following statements are correct? That's the question. Let us go to the solution. So this is the block diagram given. The closed loop system is stable giving these 4 statements. In these 4 statements, which are the correct statements they are asking for us. Okay. How to solve this one is first you have to find the characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation is s square minus bs plus ks minus ak is equal to 0. If you simplify it, s square plus k minus b into s minus ak is equals to 0. It's a second order. And according to RH criterion for a second order system roots to locate in the LHP or for stability, all the coefficients should be greater than 0 or positive only. Hence, let us go to the one by one statement. See the first statement. A they have taken as negative. B they have taken as also negative. K they have taken as greater than 0. If A is negative, K is greater than 0, then AK will be compulsory negative or less than 0, or minus AK will be always greater than 0 or positive. This S power 0 coefficient will be positive. Another one, see the S power 1 coefficient K minus B. B is negative, K is positive. If B is negative, obviously, and K, if you take it as positive, obviously K minus B will be always greater than 0. Obviously, and S square coefficient, which is 1, that is already greater than 0, means all the coefficients in that second order characteristic equation will be positive only for the first case. Therefore, first case will take it as closed loop system as stable. Let us go for the second case. What is the second case they are given as? A less than 0, B greater than 0, K greater than B. Okay. If you take A less than 0 and K greater than B, and B is already greater than 0. Okay. For what will happens now? A less than 0 means A is negative and B is already taken as positive and K greater than B means compulsory AK will be compulsory negative or minus AK will be greater than 0. I'll explain with an example. A negative means you take some minus 2. B greater than 0 they want to take. B you take it as 3. And K greater than B means K greater than compulsory 3 you have to take it. Means K you can take any value greater than 3 as 4 like this. Definitely minus AK will be how much? 8, which will be always greater than 0 only. For S power 0 coefficient is positive. K greater than B means obviously K minus B will be greater than 0. That is S power 1 coefficient is also positive. S square coefficient which is 1 already positive. Therefore all the coefficients are positive in a second order characteristic equation means all the two roots lies in LHP and closed loop system is again stable. Therefore second statement is also correct. Let us see the third case. A greater than 0, B greater than 0, K greater than 0. If A and K are both are positive means obviously AK will be positive or minus AK will be always negative only. Therefore, S power 0 coefficient is negative means compulsory roots lies in RHP according to RH criteria, and third case is a unstable case. Let us go to the fourth case. What is the fourth case they are given is A greater than 0, B less than 0, and K greater than minus B. Now A greater than 0, okay, K greater B is already taken as negative here. A greater than 0 means A you take some 5. B less than 0 means B should be taken as negative, so minus 3. And K you have to take compulsory greater than minus B means greater than 3 like this. Means greater than 3 means you can select some k example as some 4 or 5 anything. But obviously ak will be what? Compulsory greater than 0. Minus ak will be less than 0. Means s power 0 coefficient only negative directly can write unstable. One more also take it. What is s power 1 coefficient in the Cauchy equation? K minus b. What happens to k minus b? Compulsory positive or negative? K is positive only taken greater than 3 and b is already taken negative. Therefore k minus b will be 5 plus 3 which is 8, obviously greater than 0. Even though s power 1 coefficient is positive, s power 0 coefficient is negative, for hence roots lies in RHP according to RH criterion and unstable. So which statements are correct for us? For closed loop stability, first statement and second statement only correct. Third and fourth statements are unstable systems. So only 1 and 2 only correct for us. For which option you have selected for the which of the following statement is correct is obviously option A only we have to select it. Hence your given correct option is A. Thank you. Any doubts, please post in the comments box. Don't forget it.